Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, Traveler's Plan. Today, we're going to take you on an exciting virtual tour of an incredible city, Jodhpur. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the enchanting world of Jodhpur. Jodhpur, the captivating city located in the heart of Rajasthan, India, is a destination that will transport you back in time. With its rich history and vibrant culture, Jodhpur offers a fascinating blend of old-world charm and modern vibrancy. The city was founded in the 15th century by Rao Jodha, the chief of the Rathore clan, and it served as the capital of the Marwar kingdom. One of the most striking features of Jodhpur is its blue architecture. As you wander through the narrow, labyrinthine streets of the old city, you'll be greeted by a sea of blue painted houses. Legend has it that this blue color was chosen by the Brahmin residents to signify their homes and to ward off mosquitoes. Whether true or not, the blue hues create a surreal and enchanting atmosphere that is unique to Jodhpur. Jodhpur has a royal legacy that is deeply embedded in its history. The city was ruled by the Marwar dynasty for centuries, and their influence can still be felt today. The majestic Mehrangarh Fort, which towers over the city, stands as a testament to the power and grandeur of the rulers of Jodhpur. The Marwaris were known for their bravery, artistic patronage, and love for opulence, which is evident in the city's architecture and culture. Jodhpur is a treasure trove of cultural heritage. The city is home to numerous palaces, temples, and havelis, mansions, that showcase the intricate craftsmanship and architectural brilliance of the bygone era. The vibrant folk music and dance forms, such as the famous Kalbelia dance and the soul-stirring Manganiya music, will leave you mesmerized. Immerse yourself in the local festivals like the Marwar Festival and the Rajasthan International Folk Festival to truly experience the cultural vibrancy of Jodhpur. Mehrangarh Fort, perched on a hilltop, is the crowning jewel of Jodhpur's architectural marvels. Its imposing structure and intricate carvings will leave you awestruck. Step inside to discover a treasure trove of artifacts, including palanquins, armory, and lavish royal apartments. From the top of the fort, the panoramic views of the city will take your breath away. Umaid Barwan Palace, a sprawling palace built during the 20th century, is another architectural gem in Jodhpur. It seamlessly combines the grandeur of the past with modern luxury as it serves as a hotel, museum, and residence for the erstwhile royal family. Marvel at the stunning Indo-Saracenic architecture, explore the museum showcasing the royal artifacts, or simply indulge in the luxurious experiences offered within its opulent surroundings. No trip to Jodhpur would be complete without a visit to its bustling markets. The narrow alleys of Sada Market and Clock Tower Market are a shopper's paradise, offering a wide array of handicrafts, textiles, jewelry, and spices. Immerse yourself in the vibrant atmosphere, haggle with the friendly shopkeepers, and take home some unique souvenirs to cherish the memories of your Jodhpur adventure. Jodhpur is renowned for its traditional crafts, each reflecting the city's rich heritage. Witness the skilled artisans crafting exquisite blue pottery, a unique art form synonymous with the city. Explore the world of Bandhani textiles, famed for their vibrant colors and intricate tie-dye patterns. And don't forget to admire the craftsmanship of Jodhpuri jutas, traditional footwear, and the intricate leatherwork that has been handed down through generations. In conclusion, Jodhpur is a city that is both steeped in history and brimming with cultural vibrancy. From the mesmerizing blue architecture to the grand forts and palaces, every corner of Jodhpur has a story to tell. So pack your bags, let the blue city captivate your senses, and immerse yourself in the rich heritage of Jodhpur. Visiting Jodhpur. When in Jodhpur, prepare your taste buds for a flavor-packed adventure through the vibrant world of Rajasthani cuisine. From spicy curries to delectable sweets, the city offers a plethora of traditional dishes that will leave you craving for more. Don't miss out on the iconic dal bati churma, a combination of lentil curry, baked wheat balls, and sweetened crushed wheat. For the meat lovers, lal mas, a fiery red mutton curry, is a must-try. And let's not forget about gat ki sabzi, a preparation of gram flour dumplings in a tangy yogurt-based gravy that will make your taste buds dance with joy. For a true taste of local flavors, head to the streets of Jodhpur and immerse yourself in the city's vibrant street food scene. From piping hot pyaz kachori, a crispy pastry filled with spiced onion filling, to the sinful mawa kachori, a fried dumpling stuffed with sweetened evaporated milk solids, the street food culture here is an absolute delight. Don't forget to try the famous mirchi vada, a spicy green chili pepper dipped in batter and deep-fried to perfection. Wash it all down with a glass of refreshing masala chai, and you're all set for a culinary adventure like no other. If there's one thing Jodhpur knows how to do, it's celebrating with grandeur and enthusiasm. One of the city's most vibrant festivals is the Marwar Festival, which showcases the rich culture and heritage of Rajasthan. Get ready to witness captivating folk music and dance performances that will transport you to a different era. The highlight of the festival is the exciting camel tattoo show, where beautifully decorated camels strut their stuff. Don't forget to dress up in your finest traditional attire and join in the festivities with the locals. In addition to the Marwar Festival, Jodhpur hosts a variety of other cultural events and festivals throughout the year. From the religious fervor of the Gangawa Festival to the mesmerizing melodies of the Rajasthan International Folk Festival, there is always something happening in this lively city. Immerse yourself in the infectious energy of these celebrations and embrace the vibrant traditions of Jodhpur. After indulging in the rich flavors and festivities of Jodhpur, it's time to unwind and rejuvenate. The city offers a range of spas and wellness centers where you can pamper yourself with relaxing massages and rejuvenating treatments. Alternatively, for those seeking inner peace, Jodhpur is home to several yoga centers where you can practice yoga and meditation in serene surroundings. So go ahead, take a deep breath, and let the stress melt away. Jodhpur is not only famous for its magnificent palaces and forts but also for its natural beauty. Take a leisurely stroll through the lush gardens of Mandor or Jaswant Tada and immerse yourself in the tranquility that surrounds you. And if you're up for a little adventure, head to the scenic lakes of Jodhpur, such as Gulab Sagar and Kailana Lake, where you can enjoy boating or simply soak in the breathtaking views. Jodhpur is a city that effortlessly combines man-made wonders with nature's splendor. Getting around the Blue City is a breeze with various transportation options at your disposal. From auto rickshaws to taxis, you can easily navigate your way through the city's narrow lanes and bustling streets. For a more immersive experience, consider hiring a bicycle or taking a leisurely walk to explore the hidden gems of Jodhpur at your own pace. When it comes to accommodation, Jodhpur offers a range of options to suit every budget and preference. Whether you're looking for a luxurious palace hotel or a cozy guesthouse, the city has it all. For a truly royal experience, consider staying in one of the heritage properties that have been transformed into hotels, allowing you to step back in time while enjoying modern comforts. And don't forget to soak in the breathtaking views of the majestic Meringar Fort from your hotel room, a sight you won't soon forget. Now that you're armed with these practical tips, go ahead and plan your visit to Jodhpur. Get ready to immerse yourself in a world of flavors, colors, and cultural wonders that will leave an indelible mark on your heart. Happy travels. In conclusion, Jodhpur is a city that leaves a lasting impression on all who visit. Its rich history, stunning architecture, vibrant markets, and cultural celebrations offer a glimpse into the heart and soul of Rajasthan. Whether you wander through the narrow blue alleys, marvel at the ornate palaces, or savor the flavors of Rajasthani cuisine, Jodhpur never fails to captivate. As you bid farewell to this enchanting city, take with you the memories of its vibrant colors, warm hospitality, and the enduring legacy of a truly remarkable destination. We hope you enjoyed this virtual journey and that it inspired you to add Jodhpur to your travel bucket list. If you liked this video, remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting travel content like this. Until next time, happy travels.